Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Badger. In today's analysis, we will take a look at this long-term down channel, and right now Badger is trying to break out this channel on the weekly time frame, and we will also watch some significant support and resistance levels. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me to begin with this recent trade setup that I shared for my members at the Patreon on Badger. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal guardrail move. And by the way, before this move, Badger formed another harmonic bad move in the month of August, by the way. And I also shared this pattern with my members, and you can see it was moving here in the potential reversal zone. And after playing this chart, it pumped very well, slightly moved below than this support, and very soon it recovered back, and we had a very big pump. And recently Badger has formed this guardrail move, and this is also, by the way, on the 4-hour time frame chart. The previous analysis or previous trade setup was also formed on the 4-hour time frame, and this is the trade setup that I shared almost 2 or 3 days ago on 24th of July. And this was also formed with Bitcoin pair. Therefore, I'm going to tell you the values in Bitcoin. And our buying zone was from 1717 and goes to 0.0001590 Bitcoins, and our sell targets were from 1895 to 2083. And after playing this chart, we can see that the price line rallied very nicely, and it has moved up to 2057. That is more than 24% pump so far. Now, if we take a look at the live weekly time frame chart, then here we can see that Badger has moved the resistance of a very big down channel. You can see it is moving inside this channel since October 2021, and we were not able to break out this resistance, but this time we have reached the resistance of this channel with bullish divergence. If we take a look at the stochastic, then here you can see that stochastic was moving up. It is forming higher lows, and if we take a look at the price line, then it was forming lower lows. So there was a bullish divergence, and with bullish divergence it has reached the resistance of the channel. Therefore, the probability is quite high that this time it will break out the resistance of this channel. At the same time, if we take a look at the smaller time frame, here on the daily time frame, previously we were watching here on the weekly time frame, and now we are switched to the daily time frame. Then here we have a key support at $2.95, and we have in fact formed a triple bottom at this support. And after forming this triple bottom, you can see that we have reached the next resistance of $4.40. And you can see previously here it was breaking as a support, and recently, even after several attempts, we are not able to break out this resistance of $4.40. Now, if we will break out this resistance, then our next resistance will be approximately at $6.78. Here, by the way, we also have a resistance at $6.30 as well, because you can see that we also have several ejections here. But this will be the key resistance for the long-term bullish rally, because previously this level has been working as a support here, and right now it is breaking as a resistance, as a support here, and back here in the month of June 2021 it was breaking as a support. So it can be key resistance for a long-term bullish rally for Badger. And if we move back to the weekly time frame, then we can see that already we have reached the resistance of the channel, and therefore I'm expecting that if we will even break out this support, this $4.40 resistance, then there will be also a possibility that Badger will also break out this resistance of the channel easily, and then it can start this long-term move. Our target, by the way, for this bigger channel will be here at the top of the channel. That will be approximately here at $38 to $40. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.